Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Ian here from Rock Bottom Off-Road. And we got some friends here. Got Ocean's friends Taylor. She's joining us for the ride. Going up to Ardbeg. We're done the old highway section. We got maybe like 20 minutes left on the highway. And then we gotta hit the bunny trail. Then into Ardbeg, and then you gotta do the trail section of the fucking place too. You know, that takes a little while with the old trailer on and stuff, you see. Got the old four-wheeler with us today, 500 Polaris too. It's coming with us for the weekend, so that's gonna be a good time. Taylor's gonna ride it. So yeah, we're here at the Seguin gas station, just chilling, getting some stuff before we leave. So yeah, it's gonna be a good time. What?
P-brakes as well.
Yeah, P-brakes. Along the highway too. Yeah, it was great. Good times. Cooking the dinner.
Do you smell my bun? I don't know.
What are you smelling the buns for? You bun sniffer?
I like to smell the buns.
The buns.
My favorite pastime.
Buns.
Yeah. Sniffing buns.
It's the only thing I don't like about it. It should come back straight. It doesn't come back straight too good. We're gonna mosey here for a second. Look at all these games we got over here, eh? Pimpin'? How's the fire going over here? Look at this fire. Oh yeah, the fire.
I know. I went to go look at them.
What's up, brother? You're just chilling? Oh, what do you got over here? A little drink or something?
Oh yeah.
A swig? Well, no. Now Princess
Oh, that
Auto
smells
makes
good.
one $1,000.
It smells strong.
Princess Auto makes one $1,000.
Seriously?
What's their warranty like? Is it
Cheapest
the
one I found
Princess
for my
Auto
truck was
warranty?
like
If you're not happy,
2,500.
What's up,
that's
folks?
Princess Auto's
It's too
warranty,
dark
though,
on
right?
this thing right now.
3 years later, if you're not happy, walk in and get a new one. I might send
Too
it
dang
back.
dark.
But and then so Rough Country just made a tent also. Yeah, they're fucking like 1,800. But I'm like, okay, so let's say we go off road this weekend, it rains.
Oh, they're so
We're
awesome.
packing up the weed. So now you
Just it
gotta
needs a
close it down
clamp or
wet.
something so you can clamp it
When
to
you get
something.
home, you gotta open it up and let it dry. So you
But
can't
that's
drive
the
your
only
car.
problem I found with it. Other than that, it's a pretty good little unit.
If it's open here, we want to go off road. Now you gotta close it.
Wonder if I can turn on like a light.
The upside is that
I don't know if I can
it's
do
not
that
that
or not.
it's not that long to pack them up.
No.
Like five,
Nope,
5
it's not
minutes.
gonna happen. No light tonight. That's okay.
I wanted a
Beautiful day in Ardbeg. Got a big crew behind us. Can't really see them. How's everybody's weekend going? Hey, it's the end of the year, October. It's great. So here we go. We got some water. too? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. We're just gonna stop and let the trucks catch up. We're doing truck speeds, so just gonna let everybody mosey along. And even at this speed last night, we got to the washout fairly quickly, so.
Just wait till tonight, your hand's gonna kill you.
Okay, I can't see. We got trucks yet?
No, back there. No, we don't.
No trucks yet.
I can't see this.
What?
I can't see them.
Really?
I think I'll talk on the inside.
Yeah. Is there trucks coming?
You want these, Taylor?
Hey, guys, come up here quick, so I don't have to yell at you.
Well, this is like, that's probably keeping it dry up there.
So do you guys want mud holes and stuff to play in, or what do you guys want to do? Do you guys want a trail ride for a bit? Playing holes? We'll make it to the monster hole. We'll go there for a bit.
Unless they're already soaking wet.
Are the trucks coming? Slowly? So this spot here is a good rock crawling spot. You'll find the rock crawlers here for a long time just playing on these rocks. It's actually pretty neat leading the whole big crew through here. Never done it before. Don't know if the trucks are still back there or not. Did that roof track just come off? Or does it just mean, did it just slide? Was your roof rack in the middle?
Yeah.
It slid to the side.
No. Actually?
Yeah.
It's over there now.
Might want to tighten that bad boy up.
Thank you. That was a hard.
I know, I'm like,
when I hit,
did
but
it
I-
just slide? My helmet was in the way. this beauty. Wheeling the old excursion. We got some. We need the 4-wheel drive. All right, has everybody gone through? He's gonna go through? Well, you see here, there's a problem. I see this sticker on the back of some guy's windshield that's just gonna fucking send it! Ah! Nothing. What's he gonna do?
You just gonna stay close to the bank.
That's what I did. I crawled right through it.
Yeah.
It's a pretty hard bottom.
Yeah, I think he'll be okay. And if not, there's somebody over there with
Oh yeah, we'll get him out. We'll get him out. Oh yeah, he's got it. He's got her. Go, go, go!
Go!
Give her!
Doesn't help that someone's in the way.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a pretty rock bottom here on this hole, so that's why it's a good spot to sit here and play for a bit.
Yeah.
But that next one we're gonna come to is even worse, so.
And even because it's raining, it's gonna be even worse than worse.
All right, is everybody ready to hit the trail again?
Oh yeah. Evan, let's go.
We got lots of. Come on, you old Artie kitty, you got this. I think you're stuck now.
What's some tough wood?
Hey! He's in her now. Which way's your lock? Lock that way. Stupid. Alright, I'll let you do it then.
Push it from the front.
Let the trucks catch up, do some playtime.
Yeah, I got waders on.
Hooked and booked, baby. It's crazy how much room there is right there where the motor should be, eh?
I know.
Like, woo, wide open, woo, woo, wide open. Oh yeah, I like butter. It's probably pretty bad into there. Oh, Ocean and Taylor are riding together now. Do you upload your footage to YouTube?
Sometimes.
Yeah? I'll have to sub up to your channel.
Yeah.
Oh, you gonna play? See what the old Polaris Sportsman 850 can do. new kitty. Heck yeah. Oh, four wheel. Back in four wheel. Oh. The old diff not locking up.
Yeah, it's not locking up.
Oh,
it's spinning. I don't know.
He's stuck. Oh shit. Alrighty guys, we got a little stuck Jeep here. And we got these afraid not ropes here. If you guys need a rope, you guys gotta get a hold of this guy Ian and get his ropes because they are awesome kick-ass kinetic ropes. Look at these bad boys. Such a unit. Gets the job done every time. Hell yeah, brother.
He wants a new rope.
He wants a new rope. Oh yeah, look at that sucker. He's gonna get the job done. With those easy to go soft shackles that get the job done too. Look at that, boom.
That would be cool commercial. Hey, that's what my teacher does.
This guy's a savage. Love it.
This guy? Yeah. Picked up my ATV for God's sake.
Hey, you don't need a lot, eh? Just a minute to start, and then when you get used to go again.
Is it dead or is it? Look at the engine running.
Okay, go. Just like a big elastic band. Yep, that's it. Yeah, if you guys need those ropes, man, get on them because they're great. Easy hookups, big loops on either end. Boom, boom, soft shackles. You're out in 2 minutes, you know. So get a hold of Ian at Afraid Not Ropes. They're great. He will hook you the hell up. So great job, man. We're out here having a blast. The Orillia Off-Road Recovery Group. Oh, yeah. All right, guys. We're back.
Yeah.
Back from the trail ride. And anyways, we got some news. I guess we just got a sponsorship for the channel. Afraid Not Ropes. He's hooking us up here. Ian, he's a great guy. He's coming over here right now. I see him. He's coming. Anyways, we're gonna throw on a new winch cable because ours is a little screwed, unfortunately. So yeah, that's been great. So we're gonna toss on this new one. It's gonna be much stronger and not broken because it's great. And definitely call this guy for a winch cable or any Bubba rope you need because it's great. So here we go. Bam, bam. It's the only thing I'm still on. Yeah, sitting in the trucks. Come on, back this way. And we got Ian here from Afraid Not Ropes. He's hooking us up. I can't thank him enough for giving us a little sponsorship for the channel. It's gonna go out a long way. And hopefully get us out of every hole that we get stuck in and not break.
You bet.
That's right, because this one here, we've had several issues trying to get out of stupid spots and kept breaking on us, and it's like the cable just disintegrates. So
Things gotta go, man.
yeah,
It's gotta go.
gotta go.
You know what you need? You need this.
Oh, he's gonna
You
come.
need to freshen this thing up, buddy.
Yeah, look at this
New
thing.
1/4 inch,
New 1/4 inch.
free knot ropes,
That's right.
winch line.
That's it.
That'll fix you up. This is the good stuff. This is 20% stronger than all the other stuff that everybody else is selling. This is the good stuff.
He knows what's up. So we're gonna install this bad boy right now here in the beautiful Ardbeg, and now the rain stopped and came to be a beautiful day.
Beautiful.
And we're gonna get this on so we have no more winch issues. And
We got an hour before the next ride, so this is
hour.
like it's down to the wire, man.
Time
we gotta get
count.
This shit done.
Yeah. So we're gonna put you on a time lapse while we get this thing popped out, reran, and back on the bike. So stay tuned, motherfuckers.
Yeah, man.
you get the camera going and there's a mud hole nearby somewhere and you want somebody to go in it and try it out, somebody's gonna hit it once the camera's going. So who wants to hit the mud hole? Come on. We gotta wait for the trucks anyway.
Oh, I don't like this. No, I don't like this. Yeah.
Give her some sender sauce. I don't know. Well, there's this looks like a good possible mud hole right here.
That looks like a swamp.
You gotta try it out.
I didn't get my good tires in time yet.
I'll pull you out, brother.
He's got the magic rope, man.
Oh, it's sticky mud.
See, that's a good playing hole right there.
It's actually really shallow.
Well, keep going. Oh yeah, it's yeah.
We should have kept our waders on.
Yeah, I'm good. I told you guys you'll need them. What do you think, Dad?
Nobody wants to try it?
I do, but I'm afraid.
Don't be afraid.
I don't want to wreck it. I don't want to struggle.
You see the mud holes you were going through earlier?
Yeah. That's true.
That's true. Champ, man, champ. Oh man, we're just waiting for the trucks here, folks.
It's just a little. How am I going to turn around? Just go on the side?
Yeah, just when you get out, just do a little. Oh, this little lad's gonna try her.
Where do I go in it?
What?
Where do I go?
You gotta make a new spot, man. This is it. You're gonna make this hole. We're gonna name it your hole. It's gonna have your name on it. Okay, now back up, try and go out that way. Out the middle. Yep, out the middle. Oh yeah, like nothing. Look at that. Alright, now back up a bit. Oh, yeah, he's stuck. Okay, let's winch you out to this tree here, boy. Oh, wait, he got her. He gave her a wiggle. He gave her a wiggle, folks. Oh, yeah. Oh, we're getting shot. Yeah. Okay, try and go back and come out a little more to the right or the left, whichever way that is. Yeah, he's definitely on something. Yeah, you gotta avoid that. There's something there. Now back up. Oh yeah, it's dying on him. Alright, hold on. Yeah, we'll have to break out the new winch line, folks. He's already faced that way. Do you want to pull yours up quick? You want to pull that one up quick? Yeah, it keeps dying out on him.
I need the winch.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got back here at least.
Yeah, man. Good job. Okay, let it
The
out.
winch needs a lot of tension right now.
Let it out. Oh, other way. Yeah, other way. Keep going.
It needs a lot of tension. It's a little messed up.
Oh, you'll get over that. All right, you're good.
My rope I skipped, that's good.
good. You're good. Come forward a bit.
Good job, gentlemen.
Yeah, these kids are champs. Oh, your winch is dying out on you. Might just have to wrap that up and around.
My battery, that's the problem?
Yeah, it should be. It's running still. The die, did your winch die? Where is it? Where's your part?
Still no sign of the trucks yet? Okay, well it's gonna start to get dark here soon, so this trail's just gonna get worse and worse and worse for them, so we should go find them. Yeah, we should definitely go find them. If they're not caught up by now.
That was a tactical spot.
Yeah.
Some vehicles.
Yeah, we should probably go find them.
Oh, he's in his glory today.
Alright.
Don't go forward.
Where did our trucks go? Two Jeeps, a truck. A few of them. Yeah, yeah. So I got a rock and pee, and we're gonna get going back that way. Good job, guys. You guys are awesome. Oh yeah, that counts, man.
I went from there to here, so.
Oh yeah. It's up to you, buddy.
We're all the same.
I've seen Jeeps float near.
Oh no. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Shit. This guy's a pure fucking weapon. That was sick. What? Is he?
Did it again? He was squawking.
Yeah.
Bad idea.
Which way are you going now?
I don't know. I might try going out through this way. Back in through here. I fucking near drowned it, buddy. She was
I
fucking
know, I was
sputtering.
like, keep going, keep
She
going.
was fucking sputtering and he told her to the run, fuck.
Yeah, these holes, man. I remember playing in these holes when I was here, like when I was a kid. Oh, we got another contender.
No, I think these guys aren't with us.
Oh yeah,
They
yeah.
wanna go around. He might try it. I don't know. I hope so. And then I hope he gets stuck so we can pull him out.
Yeah.
I made it through. That thing made it through.
Somebody's got a fucking go if I walked all the way over here.
How did they make it through that?
Hey, you're next. You're next.
Try this one.
Hey, hey, we got to move the trucks. There's other Jeeps. Just pull them into here. The spot is like crazy for playing in. All the big trucks sit here. That was deep. When he started going through, it was like, bruh. I was like,
Uh-oh. Oh, fuck.
we both looked at each other like, that better not be too deep.
Oh, yeah. These, man, people playing these with like 40, 50-inch tires. It's crazy.
Kyle, tell us what we're doing here, brother.
Well, the Ford got us in, couldn't get us out, so now we gotta take the 7-liter and pull it out with the 7-liter and put the Avi behind it and use as brakes.
Yep. So unfortunately, folks, the old Escape here won't fire up on us. It's got starter issues and ignition, so we can't even bypass the patch system. Too bad it wasn't standard. That'd be great, because then we could fire it right up, bam, you're going, you know, but that's not going to happen today. So what we got going on here, we got the Afraid Not ropes going. Thanks to Ian at Afraid Not ropes, you got to get hold of them. And thank God, this weekend, he hooked us up with a sponsor. So now we got an Afraid Rope sponsor for the channel, guys. It's fucking awesome. We got a new winch line on the X3 yesterday with them. I got a video of that coming to you, so stay tuned. And we got to pull this thing out. We might get a little bit of video of it, so stay tuned. We're gonna get this done because we gotta get the heck home. Alrighty, we're in tow. Turn these around here. Had her put her in the old 4x. Best I can do, guys. And after we're done doing this, I still got to come back in and grab the trailer and load the X3, so it's going to be a long afternoon, so let's just say that. We'll catch up again in a few. Okay guys, we got the Escape to the store there now, so we're trucking our way back into camp to get the trailer and load the X3, which is behind me somewhere. I don't know where he went. He's back there somewhere. We're smashing this thing through the bush because it's gonna be a long day, so rock on. Alright guys, we got a trailer in tow and a pickup truck, Chev 1500. The old Excursion's just kicking ass so far today. Couldn't ask for a better truck right here. Doing pretty good. So far, I've just been in two-wheel drive low range and just tugging away. We're getting there, making miles. Well, tow strap number 1 broken. So we broke out the afraid knot ropes because it'll never break. Yeah, either tying it up back there right now. Didn't even make it halfway out. She snapped. Didn't have the power. So we'll get the afraid all wired up here and ready to fucking go, and ready for some lunch. Or now about dinner, 'cause it's like 5 o'clock. Yeah, I want to be home.